How to fix Safari cannot open the page because your iPhone is not connected to the internet. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Now scroll down, hit towards the option of Safari. Once you find it, open it. Now scroll all the way down. You'll see the option of Advanced, open it. Click on the option of Website Data. Now click on Remove all website data. Click on Remove now. Once you do that, hit back. After you land to this Safari page, you'll see the option of Clear History and Website Data. Click on it. Check in for the option of All History. Toggle on for the option of Close All tabs. Now click on Clear History. Now head back to the main page of Settings. Open the option Cellular. Now scroll down. Toggle on for the option of Safari. Now head back. Scroll down and open the option General. Now scroll down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset Network Settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Safari cannot open the page because your iPhone is not connected to internet. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.